Good day, Mom and Sir. My name is Merlin Habar. I'm married and blessed with two sons, 17 years old and 16 years old. My father's name is Ventura Kasaway and my mother's name is Consolacion Kasaway. I live in Aurora Province. I'm Catholic and high school graduate. I have work experience as domestic helper in Parañaque for 2 years. I serve 2 adult and 1-year-old baby. I work experience also as domestic helper in Antipolo City for 1 year. I serve 4 members of the family, 3 adult and 1 children. My duties to them is to cook for their food, wash their clothes, ironing, and cleaning the house. To my future employer, please choose me because I'm honest, trustworthy, kind, and hardworking. I always love your children as my own. I promise to finish my contract. Thank you and God bless.